All right, good evening, everyone. My name is Anthony Deloach, and I have the privilege of being your host tonight. And I want to let you guys know that you are in store for a treat because we have some absolutely phenomenal information that we want to share with you all tonight. And the information that you're going to hear tonight is absolutely blessing people all around the world, allowing people to not only make money, but to multiply money, to put people in a rare position where they can have money working for them. And I'm excited about you actually getting this information so you can make a decision for yourself if this is something that you want to do and something that you want to run with as well. Now, I'm going to go over a couple of housekeeping things so that we make sure that we have a very effective presentation this evening, this morning, whatever time it is, wherever you are. But I want you guys to do me a favor really quick. If you could just make sure that your phone or your device is on mute. I don't want anyone to be distracted while they're trying to hear this information. I want everyone to be able to hear everything loud and clear. Oh, God. Okay, guys. So if you could do that for me, that would be absolutely phenomenal. Now, also, guys, I want to ask if you guys could right now go ahead and get something to write on and something to write with. You want to make sure that you're taking notes tonight because the information that we're going to share with you is going to be some non-traditional information. This is not what you usually get when you get onto a presentation or a Zoom. We're going to share some information with you that is non-traditional, but what's great about it is that it can also help you make some non-traditional income. So if we got any go-getters or money makers on a call, you're going to be excited about the ways that we are earning non-traditional income over here and the way we're earning passive income. All right. And I believe that you guys are going to find it absolutely phenomenal. I believe that you're going to find this information very interesting, but you may have some questions about what you hear tonight. I want you to write down those questions so at the end of the call, we can go ahead and answer those questions for you in a short Q&A session. All right. Now, here's the last and the most important thing that I want you guys to do is I want you to go ahead and sit back and relax. Now, you're probably asking me, why do you want me to sit back and relax? Well, I'm telling you tonight, you don't have to be uptight, intense, or even skeptical tonight. Tonight, I'm not going to try to convince or persuade you of anything. All I'm going to do is share some information with you that we found to be absolutely phenomenal and is helping us. And we're going to see if you want to take the same information and let it help you. We're going to let you make an educated decision for yourself. Nobody's going to try to pressure you into anything. So I want you guys to just sit back and relax, right? I know you're used to getting on presentations like this and you're expecting to hear about the latest and greatest product, potion, or pill that you have to sell to make money, and you're not going to hear that tonight, right? What you are going to hear is a genuine way that we have found that you can multiply your money through the power of cryptocurrency and this incredible platform that we're going to share with you. Now, if that sounds exciting to you right now and you're interested in that, can you guys drop a 1 in the chat for me? That's also going to let me know that all of my equipment and my microphone and my camera and everything is working properly. If you guys are excited about that, drop a 1. Do we have any money makers on the call? Any go-getters that are excited? Okay, I see Queenie is excited about this and she's let me know that you all can hear me loud and clear. And so I thank you so much for that, Queenie. I really appreciate you. So let's go ahead. Let's jump into what I'm going to be sharing with you all tonight. The first thing that I want to do is to give you a little bit of a brief introduction, if you will, right? A trailer to the coming attraction about what we're going to talk about tonight, right? What I'm going to introduce you guys to tonight is a genuine way for you to get paid daily. Right now, we have to spend money on a daily basis. I don't know about you, but I know in my household, we spend money on a daily basis. In fact, we probably spend money on multiple times per day. So I believe it's only right that we earn income on a daily basis. I know the tradition is that we actually get paid income typically once a week, every 2 weeks, or once a month, even for some people. But over here, it's very different because we actually get paid income every single day. And I really, really like that. It comes in handy for me. Now, what we're also going to do is put you in the position that you earn passive income. See, it will be one thing that we came over here, we told you can make some money, but you got to go out and sell some stuff. You got to go out and do some trading, and you got to go out and do all this stuff. No, over here, you're going to get passive income. You're going to be able to put yourself in position that you're making passive earnings, right? So I hope you guys are ready for some more passive income in your life. Now, what I want to let you guys know is that what we have here has a very, very low entry point. Why? Because this is what you're going to hear me talk about is a global inclusive platform that's trying to include as many people and help as many people as possible. Now, you see on the screen where it says that there's a $500 minimum start point. And that's where it was when I first joined this opportunity. But what I want you guys to know that starting point has actually been lowered right now, right? And I think you guys are going to be excited when I tell you how much it's been lowered too. See, I told you this company is trying to include as many people as possible. Now, even though it's been lowered, here's the thing that I got excited about. The amount of days that we get paid has not been lowered. So even though they lowered the entry point, we still get paid 7 days per week. Now, I've been in a lot of opportunities and a lot of platforms that have paid me 5 days a week. But tonight, we're going to hear about an opportunity that's paying us Sunday through Saturday, 7 days a week, which is phenomenal. Now, here's the other thing, guys. Even though they lowered the entry point, they did not lower the monthly profits that we're going to get. Now, it's changed a little bit from this screen, and I'm going to go through that in our presentation, but it's anywhere from 12 to 15% per month. Now, I want you guys to think about this, right? 12 to 15% per month is unheard in the traditional financial world. That's why we're so thankful for this world of cryptocurrency and this opportunity that we have our hands on right now, which is giving us access to things that were traditionally unheard of, right? So I'm glad that this company is around. Now, if you thought that was good, let me tell you what you're going to be really excited about, that you're going to have the opportunity to compound your profits at an even higher rate. And what we're talking about is anywhere from 20 to 25% per month. That is going to be absolutely amazing as well. So you heard me say that we get paid daily earnings, but let me add to that we also get daily withdrawals. We're able to realize our profits. See, there's a lot of platforms that promised and they shown us that we were making money in the back office, but there's been a lot of people who have been in a position like me that you thought you were making money, but you were actually a dashboard millionaire or a dashboard thousandaire. There was a lot of profits shown in your back office, but you were never able to withdraw them out and make them real for yourself, right? But let me tell you, this platform is not like that. A lot of us are doing withdrawals on a daily basis, and our withdrawals are hitting our wallets really fast, and we're able to take that income that we're earning and use it in our lives. And that's what we're excited about. Now, if you get excited about that, you're really going to get excited about this next point. The next point is that we have no lockup on our capital over here. So like with many platforms, you send your crypto over to them and they hold your crypto, right? And then they say, we're going to pay you your profits out over time, and we're going to pay you your principal out over time. You can't go in and make a withdrawal from the initial capital that you started with. Well, guys, over here, the whole game has been changed because this company decided to not put a lock on your capital. If you need to go in and get in today and exit tomorrow, you can definitely do that. If you need to withdraw from your capital, you can definitely do that, right? So the company has made that accessible to us right now. So hopefully you can see from just these few highlights that I've shared with you that we have an incredible opportunity to share with you all tonight, right? So you guys should be really excited. Now that I got that out of the way, I want to introduce to some and I want to present to others this incredible company and opportunity that's called OakSmart. Now, one of the things I like to say, some of these companies, and you may look at this and say, hey, that's a pretty funny name right there, OakSmart. Well, let me tell you, it may have a funny name, but this company is paying us some serious money. So you know what we're doing? We're taking this company very serious right now. And we're going to take advantage of this opportunity during the lifetime of the opportunity, right? I want you guys to see that we have something very unique on our hands. And if you decide to participate with us, you can actually start creating some incredible wealth. That's what we truly believe, all right? Now, before I get into the information, I do want to let you guys know right up front that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice, and nothing in any of my presentations or any of this document that you see tonight should be considered as financial advice. I'm just sharing this information with you so that you can be educated when you make your own decision on what you want to do and how you want to participate, or even if you want to participate. I told you, you can sit back, relax. There's no high pressure sales pitch over here. But let me tell you a little bit about OakSmart, right? Now, OakSmart is a global inclusive financial services platform. Now, they want to enable individual investors to participate in high-level investment projects with low capital. Now, really, what does that mean? See, the average everyday person doesn't have hundreds of thousands of dollars where they could get involved in a project with. They don't have a lot of risk capital they can play with. And the money that they are going to use, they want to make sure that it's put in the right place, right? Well, most people are not able to find a great place to put it. And in fact, most people just put it in their bank where it earns no income for them. right? If you looked at your bank statement, you've probably noticed that if you have a savings account, it's probably earning you somewhere about 0.01% per year. And that's actually a bad thing because with the rate of inflation, you're probably losing money just by holding your money in the bank. So it's not a good thing. But OakSmart has come to take the average everyday individual and give them access to high reward projects, projects that can help them multiply their money. So now, not only can you make money, you're going to be put in a position to learn how to multiply your money through the power of cryptocurrency and this incredible project. Now, what we like to call OakSmart is the bridge. And what do we mean by the bridge? It's bridging those low capital, average everyday person with low capital with high reward, profitable projects. Now, there's not many places that you can actually do that, but OakSmart is one, and that's one of the things that we are really excited about. Now, let's talk a little bit about the company background here. OakSmart's financial products boast an annual return rate of up to 200%. Now, think about this. If you're earning 200% on your capital, isn't that much better than you going to the bank and earning 0.01% per year? Right? Now, how are they going to be able to do this? Because they are going to partner with multiple trading platforms with a variety of investment projects. And they've already gotten started on this, finding the right projects that they can partner with to create phenomenal success. And we're going to introduce you to the first company that OakSmart has partnered with that's producing phenomenal results for its members. Okay. Now, let me go in and talk about compliance really quick, because some of you all are trying to make sure that the company is doing the right thing. And let me tell you right up front that yes, the company is doing the right thing. You know what they did? They went ahead and they did the necessary thing, which is register in the United States as a business, right? So many companies fail to do that, and that gets them in trouble. But this company did go ahead and register in the United States as a business. But not only did they do that, they went ahead and they applied for and they got their money service business license. That's an MSB license. Now, this is a license that's issued by FinCEN, the Financial Crime Enforcement Network. And this is a part of the U.S. Department of Treasury. Now, why is it important that I point out these things, right? Because I want you guys to understand that the FinCEN department or division of the Department of Treasury, it has a mission to safeguard the financial system from illicit use, combat money laundering, and promote national security through the strategic use of financial authorities. Guys, what I want you to know is the fact that OakSmart went ahead and got this money service business license and went ahead and registered. It lets you know that they're trying to do the right thing so they can put up the right results so we can get the right profits. Okay. So I wanted you guys to really know that. All right. Now let's jump into this company that OakSmart has partnered with. Now I want you guys to know that this company is Trading Link. Now, some of you may not have heard of Trading Link, but that doesn't mean that this isn't a powerful company. See, Trading Link is a professional financial services institution that's focused on trading platforms, selecting excellent trading signal sources, and intelligent risk control management. What does that mean? They are focused on the trading and producing incredible trading results and partnering and recruiting the best traders. That's what they're about. They really focus on that. That's what their whole intent is. Why is this important? Because OakSmart doesn't have to try to do that. OakSmart is not a trading company, and I want to make that clear up front. OakSmart is not a broker. OakSmart is not an exchange, right? It is a financial services company that has partnered with this company that specializes in trading, who has expert traders. See, I have a statement that I say in my life all the time. One of the things I want to do, I want to focus on what I'm an expert in, and I want to let the other experts do what the other experts do. So OakSmart is great at gathering people and people with low capital, those people who want to get started in high reward projects. They find those people. They use individuals like you and I to go and find and gather all those people. But then they've partnered with companies that are able to put up the type of results that they need to produce for us. All right. So that's what's powerful about this. Now let's talk about Trading Link and their recruitment model and everything, right? So with Trading Link, they have a phenomenal recruitment model where they're going out and they're going to attract excellent traders, right? Not just average everyday traders. They're attracting excellent traders. Now you're probably wondering, well, why would an excellent trader come over to Trading Link? The reason why they will come over to Trading Link is because of the fact that Trading Link has the tools and resources that they need to become a better and more effective trader. So they're able to be more effective and produce better results when they're working with Trading Link. Now, one of the things that you want to know is you want to make sure that Trading Link is a very solid and stable company. And they are, because they have a multiple revenue model, which means they don't make money just one way. They're not just a one-trick pony. See, what you got to realize is that Trading Link is actually a company that's making money off of their transaction fees, their trader profit share, and also from their signal service. They have a signal service that anybody can go in and sign up for. What does that mean? Somebody can go in and sign up right now. If you go to the Trading Link website, go in and sign up. And how do I know that you can do this? Because I did it myself. Right? I signed up for the platform for Trading Link. I went in and I saw they had all these traders. I saw how their platform worked, and I saw it was a real platform, real company, all of that type of stuff. They have real products and services that they offer. So the company has multiple ways for them to make money. But not only that, I got excited that this company has dual intelligent systems. Now you're probably wondering, what does that mean? They have not only AI technology and advanced AI systems that they're using that the traders get to use as well, but they also have intelligent risk control systems. Now, it's very important, even if they're using AI, and you've probably seen different companies use AI to trade and produce better trading results. But one of the things that made me excited about this is that they also have intelligent risk control systems, because it's not just how much money you make, it's actually how much money you keep, right? And so if you're able to keep a better or a higher share of your profits that you're making, guess what? Everybody wins in that scenario. Now, the company has taken it upon itself to go ahead and partner with global exchanges, and they are compliant. They're not working with any exchange or the fly-by-night exchanges out there, right? They're working with global compliant exchanges around the world. Now, let's talk about Trading Link's development history so you know a little bit more about the company that's producing the profits for you. Now, one thing that you should note is that Trading Link was actually launched in London back in 2021. So this company hasn't been around just for a couple of weeks. This company's been around since 2021. Now, what they did was they went ahead and they launched their retail trader project and recruited their first 20 traders, their professional traders, in Q1 of 2022. Now, by Q3 of 2022, they had already surpassed their revenue growth expectations and expanded their fund size and the number of traders that they had. Now, they continue to grow and expand, and by Q1 of 2023, they collaborated with a Middle Eastern cryptocurrency fund and also expanding their trading categories, which is incredible, right? This is a company that's on the move and making progress. Now, by the fourth quarter of 2023, they already secured the second expansion. They signed over 100 outstanding traders across all financial fields. So they work in several domains. They're not just limited to cryptocurrency or Forex or the stock market, that type of thing. They have multiple domains and multiple financial fields that they actually participate in. Now, just this last quarter, they announced their global layout and accumulated cooperation with over 1,000 funds, right? So once again, you see that this company is out there doing things the right way. They're making progress and they're making things happen. All right. Now let's jump into this collaboration that they have now with OakSmart, right? I want you guys to really see this. OakSmart and Trading Link have come together to create a powerful partnership. Now, what does this partnership mean? It means trading platform matching, right? Trading Link selects the most suitable and compliant trading platforms. It means excellent signal sources through global evaluation and selection, providing high quality trading signal sources and strategy and support. Remember, I talked about the intelligent risk control systems, real-time monitoring and risk, customized service solutions, and technical support and training. See, with this partnership, we get the best of the best, right? And we get the best of both worlds. What do I mean by that? We get to come in and have a simple process to participate, and we don't have to learn how to trade. We don't have to learn how to read a chart. We don't have to learn how to read candlesticks or any of that, right? But we do get to get those high profit and high returns, and we also get excellent customer service. Now, look, I haven't asked you guys to participate much as of yet, but if you think that is phenomenal, that we get access to this, just like wealthy people get access to VIP services like this, if you think that's phenomenal, drop a 2 in the chat for me. How many of you all are excited about the information that you heard so far? Right? I just wanted to make sure we got through all of this because in a second, we're going to get to the money. And when we get to the money, I'm going to get really excited because I love the way that we make money over here, right? I think you're going to love the way that we make money over here. It's a very unique system over here, right? Now, let's go ahead. Let's talk about how Trading Link or OakSmart and Trading Link, what they have, how it compares to other well-known global fund institutions. You always want to do a comparison to what else is out there so you will know what position you're in, right? And I say we're in the best position over here because if you look at the screen right now, you see these different mainstream fund opportunities or fund institutions. They start at $100,000 for you to get involved. Now, I want you to sit and think about this. If you were one of the upper echelons, the upper elite people out there, then $100,000 probably wouldn't be much capital to you. But for the average everyday person out there that's just trying to get by in life and multiply their money and start to create some type of wealth in their life, they don't have $100,000 already that they can participate in, right? But they may have some capital that they can use. But with these traditional financial institutions, they've already been priced out. They would never be able to touch either one of these. See, that's why I love what we have over here, and I'm going to show you why this is better. Now, even though these start at a higher percentage or a higher entry point, like 100,000, a million, 5 million, there's not one of these up here that can compare to the type of returns and results that we get with OakSmart. Now, these annual returns that you can expect over here, the highest one is going to be with Panthera Capital because it is in the cryptocurrency and the blockchain space, but that makes it very volatile and it allows them to sometimes go over 200% in a year. But the very thing that limits this is that they have the fund flexibility is very limited. You can't get in and out of this one as easy as you would like. A lot of them require you to actually keep your funds in there for a certain amount of time. And if you want to get it out, it's not very flexible. It's not easy to get your money out. They're expecting for you to hold that money for long periods. Now, what I like about these is that they could give you 10 to 15% per year, right? Most wealthy people like that. They're like, hey, look, I can put my money over here. I can get well more than I could get at any bank. And so they come over here and they do that. Well, here's the average everyday person solution. Let me introduce you guys to the products that are available over here at OakSmart. Guys, you're going to be absolutely excited when you see what we have access to over here. And now I'm about to start talking about the money. Look, so if you guys have been sleeping on me right now, you said, Anthony, all that information was overload and all of that type of stuff. Wake up right now. I want you to wake up. Look, if you're awake and you're still with me, drop some dollar signs in the chat. We're about to talk about the money right now. We're about to put the money out there. What we get access to, guys, over here is something very unique. As long as you have $100 of risk capital that you can get started with, $100, you can get started with a high reward, high return project over here. Just $100 in cryptocurrencies. Now, you're probably wondering, what type of cryptocurrencies do they accept? They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, Solana, Tether on the BEP network, the Ethereum network, and on the BSC network, right? And the Tron network. So I want to tell you guys, whatever cryptocurrency is so many up here that you can actually choose from. Now, here's what I want to tell you. You're probably thinking, well, I'm getting started with $100. I know they're probably going to limit me on the type of results that I'm going to get. No, you actually get the same results as somebody that comes in with 10,000 or with 100,000. You're going to get anywhere from 8 to 15% per month. And what we've noticed is that it is around 12% per month that we're getting. Now, guys, let's take a break right there. I know in this space, we've seen some opportunities. I know I've been involved in some that pay anywhere from 25 to 30% per month. But one thing you will notice is those platforms usually don't stay around long, right? But what we have here is a platform that's already been around for over 6 months, already have gotten over 20,000 users worldwide, right? And they are poised for even more success. Why? Because they're doing the right things the right way. And we're able to get 12 to 15% per month. We're able to be in a position to earn better than those wealthy people participating in those funds that I just showed you. We're earning in a month most of the time what they have to wait for a year to earn. So here's what I call it. I call it accelerated wealth. And when it comes to your wealth, if you want your wealth accelerated, can you guys do me a favor and go ahead and drop a 4 in the chat for me? For all of my people who want accelerated wealth, I don't want regular wealth. I don't want normal wealth. I want accelerated wealth. And that's what you're going to create over here. Now, here's what we also get, right? We get daily payout. You don't get that with one of those hedge funds. You don't get that with a CD. You don't get that with a lot of these mutual funds and things that other things that you can participate in. We get daily payout 7 days per week. Our payout is going to show up from anytime from 10 to 1500 UTC. We are going to get our payout consistently, and they've never missed a payout, right? Now, here's the other thing. There's no lockup on your funds. So you have the liquidity and flexibility that you want. And what we mean by that, if you need to come get your money out tomorrow or next week, you have the ability to do it. Now, get this, guys. You can withdraw your profits whenever you want to. You can come in and you have the opportunity over here to withdraw your principal when you want to. A very unique situation. And what I also love about this is that they're not paying you your profit and principal back over time like a lot of these other platforms. So you're really making profit on top of your principal. Here's the other thing. You're not just getting paid until you get to 2x or 3x. You're getting paid until you take the money out. You don't have to worry about it stopping and then the plan expires. Then you got to start over and do all of that type of stuff. No, you get to make money until you take the money out. I like the way that works. Now, you're probably saying, well, Anthony, if I want to come redeem my funds, if I want to come withdraw my capital, can I do that? Yes, you can do that. I told you there's no lockup, but here's what you can do, right? Here's how it works. If you withdraw your capital and you decide that you want to leave the company prior to 30 days, the company says, cool, we don't want to hold your capital. If you're ready to go, you're ready to go, right? But here's what we do. If it's less than 30 days, we haven't earned on it long enough, so we're going to charge a 5% fee. Now, I saw this and I was blown away because I've been in platforms that try to do this and they charge anywhere from 15 to 20 to 50% if you try to withdraw your money before the first 30 days. But this company only charges 5% if you withdraw your capital out before the first 30 days. Now, after the first 30 days, it's only a 1% fee. Guys, if you're talking about getting in something that's fair, then this is it. So guys, look, the company, when I originally started, they only had the Oak Crypto 1, but now we have the Oak Crypto Mini. And the only difference here is the amount that you start with. So whether you want to get started with $100, you'll start with the Oak Crypto Mini. If you want to get started with 500 or more, you get into the Oak Crypto 1. All right? So you choose where you want to get into. Now, let me tell you something else here. You probably see this Oak USD Max on the right-hand side, right? You see this Oak USD Max over here, and you looking at that profit, that expected monthly yield is anywhere from 20 to 50%. You're like, hey, look, I want to be over there, right? You said, I want to be over there in that one. Let me talk to you about that one really quick. This is a plan that the company developed for you to be able to compound your profits. That's right. Anytime that you earn profits from your Oak Crypto Mini plan or your Oak Crypto 1 plan, you have the opportunity to take those profits and put them into the Oak USD Max, and the minimum deposit over here is $10. So as long as you have $10 of profit, you can put them into the Oak USD Max, and those profits are going to get you an expected monthly yield of anywhere from 20 to 50% per month. What we have seen is anywhere around 22% per month. It's on average around that amount, right? Guys, this is amazing because you know what? They're not trying to lock this up either. There's no lockup on this. Your profits are still paid out on a daily basis. The same 5% before 30 days and 1% after 30 days applies with this. So it allows you to just put your money in a place where it can make more money for you. In most opportunities, once you earn your profits, you would have to put them to the side and they don't make any more profit for you. But the company says, no, we're going to give you an opportunity that those profits can make even higher profits for you. Now, some of you all are probably wondering, well, if that's the case, why don't they pay higher profits on the other plans? Well, it's because through the Oak Crypto Mini and the Oak Crypto One, they are paying out their bonus rewards from those plans. On the Oak USD Max, they don't pay any bonus rewards. So those profits are higher. Now, the bonus rewards that they pay out of the Oak Crypto Mini and the Oak Crypto One, those are the bonus rewards they pay to individuals like you and I who want to spread the word about this incredible company and introduce new people so they can reward us for what we're doing. You see how that works, guys? The company has already thought through all of the things that need to be in place to make sure that the company is around for a long time and that the company is very sustainable. Man, if y'all like how we make passive income over here, drop a 5 in the chat. It's one of the very unique places where you can drop fives, where you can actually come over here and make passive income. So drop some 5s in the chat for the passive income that we're able to earn over here. If you've ever had a goal to earn passive income, I believe we have one of the most unique ways for you to be able to do it. You don't have to do anything. Remember, I didn't say anything about you having to recruit anybody. I didn't say anything about you having to read a chart, do any tradings, get any signals, or do anything to earn these profits. It's basically you come in, you deposit your cryptocurrency, let the company go to work for you, and you earn your profits. That's how this works, guys. That's amazing. Now, that's our passive income, right? Now, what I really want to go into now is our active income. What we're going to talk about now is not only our passive income, what we're going to talk about now is our active income, all right? So I want you guys to really, really understand that this active income over here can really change your life, right? Now, here's what I tell people all the time. You want to have not only passive income, but you also want to have active income, because most people won't tell you that passive income is something that's built over time, but active income is something that's built overnight, right? And so what I want to tell you guys, if you need some fast income, if you need some income that's going to build really quick, then you want to look at some of this active income over here. Now, one thing that I want to dispel is that this company right here does not, what they do not do, right, is they don't pay direct deposit on direct, they don't pay on direct bonuses. They don't pay direct bonuses. So that means that when you're not incentivized just to get somebody. Hold on. Let me tell you, let me tell you the truth. I know companies like that, and I know some of those models actually work, right? But it's not you're just going out there trying to get somebody to make a deposit, right? Because if you do that, you're just going to be rewarded, and that you don't really care what some people. I know most of us have the right heart, but some people don't really care if the person actually earns any money because you made your money up front. But what this company actually rewards you is when you bring somebody over here and when they start earning on a daily basis, you're going to earn based on what they earn. How many of you all think that's a great way to make money? Where everybody wins together. If you think that's great, drop a 6 in the chat for me. Where everybody wins together. All right. This is what's powerful about this. If I invite somebody over to this platform, what happens is that they're going to make a deposit, yes, but what they're going to do is start making money on a daily basis. Well, the company says, well, as long as they're making money, you're going to make money. If you directly refer them, we're going to pay you 50% according to whatever they make. Now, here's what's powerful about this. It doesn't come out of what they make. Oh, isn't that powerful? It's according to what they make. So if you bring somebody over here and they build their account to where they're making $10 a day and you directly refer them, you're going to make $5. If they build their account to where they are making $20 per day, you're going to make $10 per day. Directly referred, 50% on a daily basis, 7 days per week. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal over here. And I love the way that we earn money over here because it's much better than most other platforms. And see, what I also love is the fact that the back end money is the strong money, right? This is the long money because of the fact that if you know anything about back end money, you will understand that you must be a professional. See, amateurs are getting excited about getting paid front end money, but professionals get excited about getting paid back end money because they know the real money is made on the back end. All right. Now, on levels 2 through 20, guess what you're getting paid? 5% per day. That's right, 20 levels deep. Now, how do I open up all 20 levels? Every time you refer one individual directly, it opens up 2 levels. So if I refer just 10 people, I get to open up 20 levels of matrix rewards for myself. That is so powerful, guys. This thing is setting so many people up for success to earn a lot of money because they're helping somebody else earn passive income on a daily basis. Now, this isn't the only reward. We not only have our reward where we get our matrix reward, we're also getting what we call our affiliate reward and our global bonus. Now, we need to update the verbiage on this presentation, but don't worry about it. We get our affiliate reward, right? And what our affiliate reward gives us is the opportunity to now make even more money. So with our affiliate reward, it start at G1 Partner, but you need at least $500 in your account. That's right. To take advantage of these, to get paid more, you can't be at your $100. You have to build it up to at least $500 in your account. Then you need to have a small market requirement, which is everything outside of your largest organization, right? You're always going to have one organization or one leg that has more volume than the other legs. So the largest organization, that's going to be your primary market. But your small market is going to be everything outside of your largest organization. So as long as that volume is at least $50,000, you're going to get a bonus. And the bonus you're going to get is 5%. 5% on what? Daily profits. 5% daily, guys. Think about this. At just G1 Partner. This is incredible. Now, as this thing goes up, Generation 2 Partner, they're going to add another 5%. So now that's 10%. At G3 Director, they're going to add another 5%. So that's at 15%. They're going to keep adding 5% at each level up to 40% that you're earning when on a daily basis at Crown Ambassador. Guys, this is absolutely amazing right here. But that's not the only bonus. We talk about that affiliate bonus, but there's also a global bonus. When your daily small market volume increases 3%, you're going to get an additional 5% allocation for that level. Guys, this is so incredible right here. They're putting so much money. It's like they're throwing money at us just for helping them grow this platform. If you ever look for an opportunity that could create a tsunami of wealth, this is it, guys. Take a good look at this opportunity here, because I believe they have the thing set up properly so that we can make money, strong money, but also long money, right? Because what's so important. None of us that are here that are involved with the company are here because we wanted to be around for a short period of time. We're looking forward to this company being around for a long period of time to bless a lot of people, to put a lot of people in position to win. Now, not only does the company pay a matrix bonus, not only does the company pay an affiliate bonus, not only does the company pay a global bonus, but the company also has rank rewards, right? And this is the rank reward program. Once you start hitting the ranks, the first rank is going to be senior partner, where you're going to start getting rewards. That's $1,500 or Apple iPhone Pro. That's the first thing that you're going to get. Once you hit the director level, that's $3,500 or Apple Vision Pro. Once you get to the senior director level, you can get the Apple family or $8,000. When you hit executive director, that's going to be $25,000, or you're going to get a Rolex Daytona. Then at the level where we start talking about the cars, right? This is where it really gets serious, right? So at Ambassador, you're going to be able to get a Porsche 718 or $70,000. At Platinum Ambassador, you'll be able to get a Mercedes AMG GT or $135,000. And at the top rank of the company, you'll be able to get a Ferrari F8 or $298,000. That's at Crown Ambassador, right? This is very powerful, guys. I love the fact that they have rank rewards because I'm a goal-oriented person. I'm going to go after my goals. Now, once you hit the top rank in the company, it doesn't really stop there, right? The company says, well, if your volume continues to grow, then we want to continue to reward you. So what do? They said, what we're going to do is we're going to allow you to get something like a luxury apartment, right? or $700,000 if you prefer the cash. Now, this is when your total small market volume reaches $50 million. I know that's a big number, but that's a big reward also. Now, once your small market volume reaches 100 million, the company's going to give you 1.5 million or a luxury villa. See, whatever you want to achieve over here, the company has already thought of it and they've put you in position to win big time. All right. I want you guys to really understand that there's power in coming over here and partnering with the right company at the right time. Here's what I always say, right? You want to be able, what you really want is to be able to earn income on your terms. Most people are limited to trading time for dollars, trading their hours for dollars, trading their life for dollars. But over here, you have the opportunity to create some real leverage. And anybody that knows anything about wealth, they understand that wealth is created when leverage is in place. Most of us understand leverage and we like leverage in every other area of our life, but most of us don't have real leverage in our finances. Well, now you have the opportunity to put leverage to work in your finances so that you can start earning money like wealthy people earn money. See, what wealthy people understand is that wealth is created by putting money to work for you, not only you working hard for money, right? If you ever want to be wealthy, you're going to have to learn how to make money work hard for you. And hopefully you see an opportunity for yourself for you to start putting that to work in this opportunity right here. I hope I've said something that has inspired or encouraged you in some way, even if you don't join what we do, but to take your life and your finances seriously so that you could be the one that changes everything for your bloodline and your family tree. See, I always like to say, if you didn't come from a wealthy family, that's okay. But you shouldn't leave this world without a wealthy family coming from you, right? So I want to thank you guys for attending tonight. I want to thank you guys for being on and sticking with me even through the spammer and all that type of stuff. You have been some troopers and you've rocked and rolled with me, and I want to thank you guys for that. And I'm going to stop the recording and we're going to go ahead and get some questions answered if you guys have.